And we're back. So, after last episode's calamitous realization that the roadways are not spaced exactly the 100 tiles that I wanted them to be, we've made the best that we can of the situation. And now we're going to focus really on getting the resources here dug out as fast as possible. So for that, we're going to have to figure out where, because right now all of the iron ore is going right here to make iron plates, and I think that's not fast enough now. Let's see, how many electric drills can I create? 3, because I need iron plates, iron gears, and electric circuits. All right, let's first grab some resources to make a lot of drills. Grab those. What did we say we needed? We needed electronic circuits, gear wheels, and plates. Gear wheels and plates. Okay, so here are gear wheels. Do we have a supply of those, or are they just getting sucked up down here somewhere? I guess they're going into the green science. Maybe we should think about science too. Do some research. But for now, let's just grab some gear wheels. Maybe, yeah, I'm looking to see if we actually store a bunch of them at all. These ones are just going, yeah, I don't think we are. Okay, so while I'm down here, if we have a surplus here, then we will pop them into a chest. So let's drop down chest here. Let's restrict it. Probably don't need that many. Oh, I need to put down. Oh, I have to make some of those. Okay. So the inserters. Make a few. Okay, and we will need some power here. So power it. And oh, and I wanted to use filters. I don't know. Okay, go away. Not select gear wheel. There we go. All right, so we'll just take those iron plates out. Now we've got a supply of excess gear wheels that we can grab from a chest at some future point. But now I've already lost the thread of what I was trying to make. I was trying to make drills, right? So I can make 19. All right. Let's do that, and then let's do that again. So we'll grab some circuits. We want some plates. Where did we put those? Oh no, this has stopped supplying. Yeah, because we were going to put plates in here. Okay, but that's fine. So I'll just grab these plates here, I suppose. Ooh, I didn't mean to grab the red science. Let's put the red science in here. There. And how many drills? 4 more. Okay. That's probably enough, right? 34? Yeah. Okay. So my plan here is to put out well, let's do this way. One here. Yeah, one here. Okay. Let's put these all the way across here. It's not going to quite make it. I guess we can do it like that. Oh, we're going to need some space for power lines. So let's 1, 2 space 1, 2 space 1, 2. That should give me the power in order to be able to hit all of those. Now why aren't you? Oh, because I'm too short, too far away. Let's grab you. Try again. There. 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 That should power you all. And then I was just going to grab these. Let's go this way. Oh, let's grab that. Don't want the iron ore on that belt. We just do a similar idea here. Guess we'll do it like this. Okay, so we want to go across here. 1, 2, 3, and grab belt here. I need more of these. Oh, I am missing iron plates and iron gear wheels. Okay, so let's see, where did we put our iron plates? They're just ending up down here, aren't they? Okay, you know what we could also do? We could put another guy in here, but have him filtered to only do iron plates. And we'll put another chest here. So while there's an excess, we will do that. Okay. It's not a lot, but we'll grab some. I guess we can probably restrict that to. Okay. And I want conveyors. All right. Where were we? We were over here trying to convey, pun intended, the idea that we should just pull out the iron ore from here. Do that. We'll put in a splitter. So that's just better management, I think. We'll move that into there so that the tail end, when it finally finishes, will not get forgotten and left behind. Put those here. Okay. And then we'll just pick them up here. Sure, let's just dump you here. We could probably do with a little faster. Okay. So let's just duplicate you. And then we need to provide power to these drills. Okay, so that's a lot of those. So those drills, they're just going to be rate limited by how fast we're pulling it out here. Maybe we'll do this the other side too. Now, I think I can copy, reflect horizontally, and drop that there. Oh yeah, except that I have to reduce them. Okay, and then put power to them. Okay, so that's it's not ideal, but it's okay. Let's just put a little bit of roadway up there. Now, how many drills do we have? We have 21 left, so there's this area here. Alright, let's take these out. I know it's going to... Oh, it's cut the power to the radar. Well, we can... This is power, yes? Yes. So let's connect that there, reconnect the radar. And then let's do some more drilling. Guess we'll do one here, one here. We need to make some more. Let's steal these plates. Oh no, I didn't want those. Come on. There. And, oh, more power. Okay, you're collecting there. We had some, let's see, we don't want wood or coal or those, although actually the iron ore we'll just throw into here, may as well pre-sort it. And now, that's right, we were going to create more transport belts and then bring this down. Bring that across and then merge. Okay, so those will eventually get pulled into there. Where can we also put a drill? I guess we could put one right there. Put it straight onto that belt. Yeah, that'd be fine. Now what is going on here? Oh, we're doing a side load onto the belt. That's what that is. Okay, so maybe we'll leave this area for the moment. And instead focus on getting stuff out of here. So do gap of 1. Gap of 1. And yeah, we should be able to put those across there. It's pretty compact. All right. Not there. Oh no! Fail. That's what happens when you try and set place things when you're on a moving belt. Okay. So how are we going to get you Oh, let's put some power poles in. We need one in... I can't actually get there. Alright, let's try again. Power pole in there. Not there. Sorry if that's making you queasy. What else? Need one down in here. And one down in here. And let's put this one here. Okay, I think that's got everybody. Now. I want to collect that down here. So let's take this out. I realize we're going to have to put that back in a second. This is just so messy. Scoosh that down that way. Get under here. And down this way. Oh, need more iron plates is what we need. Okay, let's run and get some from down here that should have collected a few. Is that enough to make some? Yeah, there we go. That's more of those. A couple more undergrounds. Ba-dum. So we'll get these guys coming down this way. What a spaghetti junction here. Oh, gotta wait for the underground. Okay. Come this way. Not that way. Turn. And we'll merge here. Okay. Did I get my undergrounds? Yes, I did. Let's run back up here and put that in place. There. Okay, so that top row up here. Oh, I needed to fix the power here. I'm just going to dig that out. And then let's do one final set over here. Oh, that's fine. And we'll put power poles in. We'll stick one in there, and there. And then we'll put conveyor belt. We're going to merge that one, or just have it drop on the top. I think just this time we can do it this way. Well, no, that's not good. That's not actually good. I do want to merge it. So, I'm going to grab this one, put that there, put that there, and we'll come through here. Okay, so nothing's getting blocked and stopped other than the speed at which we're pulling these out here. So maybe we'll repeat this some more. And we only have 2 of those. Okay, how do you make chests? We may need steel plate. Okay. If I can actually get rid of the window. Steel plate is over here somewhere. Oh, and I guess we've turned all of that into something else. Yeah, we have exhausted our resources here. Okay, again. Okay, so is that the only place we're making steel plate? Yes, it is. Right, we are going to have to reorganize this. But I think basically we just suck. Well, there's only 16. Sucked all of our steel plate. All right, so maybe what we do is we relocate. So many different ways of doing this. Yeah. Okay. Calm, calm. Let's think about this. I want to get all of this iron ore out of here as fast as possible so that we can focus on making this more usable. So I think I'm going to relocate the iron plate manufacturing. I've also got coal being mined here. Okay, so let's do this. Let us help the coal. I'm going to store coal here. And if we can do that with this. Okay. Going to oh, we need more drills, and they require iron plate, iron gear. Okay, we've got loads of electronic circuits. Okay, this is needing some thought. All right, I want to create steel. I don't want to make more pylons right now. So let's just take that out and let us put, let's dedicate, what are we doing there? Okay. Yeah, I'm going to move this further down. So okay, let's remove this for a moment. Duplicate that. Okay, we need more furnaces. Furnaces require stone. Stone is over here. Oh, looks like we're out of power here. Oh, that's right. Yep. You see, that's the problem, is you do one thing, you try and do the next, and we'll get this there, I think. Yak shaving, as one of my friends used to call it. There's some joke or long form joke, long form story about shaving yaks. Yeah, which I don't actually remember, but the phrase stuck with me. Okay, let's grab some of these, and make some more drills. Let's also make more conveyor. And we were trying to get the steel plate production going again. Right, so I wanted to not have the iron ore, but have the coal transferred across this gap. So we can put in a coal filter. Okay, it's got the coal filter going, so we can keep that up. All right, and then we wanted to feed iron ore onto this belt. Sorry, not iron ore, iron plate. So I guess what we could do is take these out. Alright, yeah, we'll still split it here, I think. It's coming in from the top there, so let's come down this way. Put that in there. And do that. Okay. Okay. So now we've got production here. Iron plate. So we're going to continue making steel plate. And we're going to collect the steel plate over here. We're going to continue making rods. We're going to collect those here. I'm going to just take this out, let these accumulate. We've got them, so they'll back up. That's good. Steel plate, yeah. Let's keep it to one row there in the chest. Okay. Now we can increase the production here. Right. Did I make more of those? No, I needed to run and get some stone. So we'll run and do that. Where are you, stone? Over here somewhere. Okay, and now we can grab 20 of those maybe. By the time I've run back. This is just such a spaghetti junction. It's funny. Funny to me anyway. Okay, 2, 3, 4. We could probably just squeeze in. We'll have to squeeze in another one. I mean, we'll have some power. We need to do... oh, these are still burner inserters. I guess that's okay because they've got a coal supply. But maybe it's time to replace those. Yeah, let's replace those. I guess I could have done an upgrade operation, but it's okay. need to create more inserters. And we should check our power levels too. Provide some coverage here, there, and there. Let's look at our electric grid. Still only half capacity, so that's good. We're running at near 7, and we've got 14 output. I think we're good there. So these need some output here. And okay, let's try and reorganize this a bit. I guess I could just come straight down from the north here. Take these poles out. Green pole here and here. Okay. So now we've got more steel plate coming in. And what was this? This was also steel plate, and it was feeding our green circuits and everything. So yeah, probably want to take half of this. So we'll divide that into 2. Okay. Take a step back. Yeah, actually, right. So we've got some good coverage on the drilling here. I think we managed to get a lot of that stuff out. All right, we'll make more plans next time. But for right now, I'm going to leave you to it and see you next time.